So guys, with a sad heart, I have to tell you guys, last night I was on my way home, driving my Caliber from Boston to where I live here in Beverly, Massachusetts. And halfway home, I shifted from 6th to 5th, then to 4th, and as I did, my Caliber sounded like a Subaru. Now, as I started giving more gas, accelerating in 4th gear and then shifted to 5th gear, I've noticed a increasingly loud noise coming from my motor, and I don't know exactly what it is, but if you guys want to check it out, here's the video of last night. I was driving and decided to put it on my iPhone so you guys can get a better visual, a better hearing of what's going on with my Caliber. Guys, I'm in 6th gear right now, no boost, and I got a weird noise coming from my motor. Downshift to 5th, even louder. Me personally, I think it's a rod knock from the Caliber messenger group that I am with, or on, I guess you could say, on Facebook. They already told me that most likely it's an engine knock. I talked to Howard at AR Fabs, aka Darton East, and he told me to take the oil filter off and send it down to him, which I'm gonna do in a little bit, but I wanted to update you guys and let you guys know that it might be a rod bearing. It might be. At first, I was assuming it was a boost leak. I think I might have a bad exhaust leak. Well, boost leak. And then it ended up being determined that it was possibly a rod knock. I used bearings. I'm pretty much stuck, you guys. I need you guys help. Like, I know I help you guys and you guys support me and, you know, smashing the like buttons, commenting and subscribing and all that stuff, but like, I really do need help. I'm stuck. So if you guys want to help support me, support my rebuild, support the parts and all that good stuff, I'll leave my Patreon and my PayPal in the description below if you guys want to support at all. Like, I got a few people already reaching out to me and helping me as much as they possibly can, sending me money, offering me to use their car. But you guys know I love my Caliber. I love my Neon. I love my Neon more than I love my Caliber, but my Caliber is freshly rebuilt with Darton sleeves. And I do nothing but TLC. I take care of my Caliber. Even though it's dirty as hell, it has pretty much everything brand new on it. Like, I'm screwed. So, like I said, you guys, if you guys want to help support my rebuild or my parts that I need, anything will help. Like 50 cents, $5, $10, whatever you guys can help me. Like, I need support. And you guys know I obviously want to keep my Caliber, and I want to keep bringing you guys YouTube videos on how to do things to it and the Neon. Obviously, you guys know I'll keep the Neon, but if the Caliber keeps on giving me problems, I'm gonna have to get rid of it. I hate to say that, but it is what it is. So, until next time, guys, be easy, and don't buy a Caliber SRT-4 unless you want to have issues like I do.